Navodaya entrance Thagadaba Maheiroisingi yamna kanagadaba information amkaktung share tawjage. Khabi mayai lekaida leiba focus Navodaya entrance coaching kam residential center gi maikidagi lakliba Mars ki tang kunga mapan asida competition amakak pangthok jagadori hairiba competition asida rank 1 dagi na 5 fawba chalaklaba Maheiroising adu full free of cost boarding amadi coaching gi facility adu lakadoriba 2027 gi JNV entrance test class 6 ki exam asi thadriba fawba lemna mahi masing tambagi khudong jaba du pijari rank 6 dagi na 10 fawba chalaklaba Maheiroising na boarding amadi coaching facility asi thagi oina lupa lising anida mahi masing tambagi khudong jaba du pijari aduga rank 11 dagi na 15 fawba chalaklaba Maheiroising oina boarding amadi coaching facility asi thagi lupa lising ani ga chama khaktam thiraga yawba yabagi khudong jaba du pijari loinana rank 16 dagi na 30 fawba chalaklaba Maheiroising oina boarding amadi coaching gi facility asi thada lupa lising ahum khaktamak oijagani aduga waiting list da laklaba Maheiroising gi oina boarding amadi coaching facility asi thada lupa lising ahum ga chamnga khaktamak oijagani form thajan bagi aroiba matamna lakliba March ki tang kun ga taruk 2026 aduga date of examination na lakliba March ki tang kun ga mapan 2026 declaration of result na lakliba March ki tang kun 2026 ta oijagani pangthok chagadoriba exam asi Navodaya entrance ki exam ki pattern ga chap manana pangthok jagani OMR based examination oigani medium na English khakta da oijagani objective type negative mark leite question amamam na 1.25 mark carry tawgani aduga hairibe exam asi based on previous years question haibadi PYQ da based tawgani application form pambiba amadi hena makhata na akupa marol khangbining basingna pijariba number 9856108732 natraga 9366493141 da contact tawbiyo